We got a killer deal on this one. This one's just today only. This one's very for the. It's actually for the DIY. So don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more holiday deals, price glitches, and killer deals like this. All right, so let's go ahead and start. I did see this at the Facebook Two Deals Facebook group. Whoever posted, big shout out. You got the Kobalt 24 2-pack lithium starter kit with a 2 amp hour and a 4 amp hour battery, right? And you do get, check this out, deal of the day. You do get a K stack, 2 batteries, and a charger. Plus, you get a free tool. That is a killer deal, guys. They actually lowered the price. I don't know if they're gonna, delete this offer, the buy one get one free, or whatever they're gonna do. But I know the pricing; it's really low. It's $89, guys. It was 99. It was 99, and it was a killer deal. And they lowered it to 89, and plus you're getting a free tool. This deal ends today, so 19 hours 11 minutes. So if you guys are gonna planning on getting this, get it now, because eventually these free tools will show out as well, especially the good ones. All right, so choose your gift. You're gonna go down here to the choose your gift. You already got your cake stack and your starter kit for $89. You're gonna be able to choose from the jigsaw. Remember, guys, these are all brushless tools. Even if you have, like I was keep saying, even if you guys have your Milwaukee, your DeWalt's, and your work truck, you want to have a platform for the house, or a gift for somebody that getting their first house or apartment there. Maybe give them a drill or something like that, or an impact driver. You got the Kobalt 1/4 inch brushless trim router. You're gonna be able to choose from that, valid at 119. You got the 24 volt, 2000 lumen LED battery operated rechargeable. My guess, yeah, they probably just messed up on that, but yeah, it is battery powered. It is one valid at 169. You got the 20 volt switch brushless cordless multi-material cutter. That's pretty good. At $99. These are great, guys, to open. Even if you know those plastic packages and boxes and stuff like that. These are great for that. I mean, I use my circular saw and it works fine. It's not the cardboard cutter. This is actually a material cutter. So be careful with that because it is a blade, so it'll definitely make some damage if you put your finger in there accidentally. You got a variable speed brushless 3/8 drive ratchet. All right, that's a good one for the ratchet. You got the 3/8 drive cordless impact wrench. Another good one, guys. Yeah, this is a really good one. Check out this, guys. You got the belt sander, 139. So you're gonna get $89. You're gonna get that starter kit. You're gonna get this for free. It's even more than what the price is on the other one. Got the paddle switch angle grinder, valued at 129. See more. I don't know why can't they just put all of them, right? They got the brushless variable speed 17-piece oscillating multi-tool. So on this one, you are getting some sanding pads around the blade. What else? Different sorts of oscillating blades. All right, this one's the 4.5 circular saw. Now this one's bigger than the other one we just saw. The other one's like a material cut. This one's a circular saw. This was valid at $99. You got the 6.5 cordless circular saw. Here's another circular saw. This one's a little bigger than the other one. You got the, what is this? The 2,700 lumen spotlight, or Seymour. Yeah. The right angle impact wrench. Not a lot of brands offer one of these, guys. This 3/8. Got the 1/2 inch impact wrench, valid at 99. The right angle drill is the 3/8 keyless. 1/4 inch impact driver. Here you go. This is a great gift with an impact driver. Wow. Seymour again. That's crazy. Got the cordless reciprocating saw. The SDS Plus variable speed rotary hammer. This is 7/8 SDS. You got the reciprocating saw. One hand, the reciprocating saw. Yes, guys. See, if you already got the tools and you just want the case, you are able to get the case stack, the matching case stack with this, and you're gonna have the platform, basically the modular toolbox platform. So this is the medium box. Yeah, this is the medium. Actually the large box. Valued at 44. You're gonna be able to choose from the rolling box as well, guys. So if you want that case stack and you want a rolling box, and then just buy the other one, you could do that. However, what I would do personally, I would go for the highest amount of money you can get for that $89, or get multiple $89 kits, and obviously get one for this and one for the tool that you want, or just get the tools, obviously. Deals, well, this buy one get one free deal expires the 22nd, but the $89 price expires today. So keep that in mind when you're buying this. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. I'll leave you guys the affiliate links down below in the description section of this video if I can find affiliate links. If not, then just regular links. Thank you.